What's going on, guys? Today I'm going to show you how to make some buffalo chicken wings using an air fryer. And I promise you, it's going to be the easiest wing sauce you've ever made. What we're going to start off is putting 10 chicken wings inside a bowl and rinse with water. We're going to rinse that out with water. And then we're going to add some lemon juice to kill all the bacteria. After we rinse with lemon juice, we're going to rinse them again with water and then make sure to pat them dry. As we finish patting them dry, we're going to take them to the side. After we finish drying, we're going to add 1.5 teaspoon of salt, 2 teaspoons of black pepper, 1 tablespoon of garlic powder, and 1.5 tablespoon of baking powder or cornstarch, and 2 teaspoons of paprika. Then we're going to mix all the spices together and prepare to add into the air fryer. We're going to leave them in the air fryer for 20 to 25 minutes on each side. As we put the wings to the side, we're going to start on the buffalo sauce by adding 1.5 of butter. Then add half a bottle of Frank hot sauce. After we stir it for less than a minute, we're going to add half a cup of honey and stir that for less than 1 minute. Then add half a tablespoon of Dijon mustard, and that's pretty much all you need to make the easiest buffalo sauce for your wings. Then throw your wings in a bowl and pour your buffalo sauce on top. And if you want to make them even more crispy, I recommend you put them back in the air fryer for just 5 to 7 minutes, and that'll come out perfect. Thank you for watching, guys. Hope you enjoyed.